As someone that absolutely loves e-inking, handwriting, and taking notes, so many people are asking, Branden, how are you utilizing AI, and why would a tablet like the reMarkable or taking notes in your iPad be even irrelevant today when we can utilize AI? Let me tell you first and foremost, you are the engineer of your success. AI is an assistant to that. And what does that mean? Well, you have all the ideas, all the topical matter, and all the creativity to be the best version of yourself. These e-ink devices, being distraction-free, allow you to capture your thoughts and ideas and help you build out your plans when you have energy and focus. There's no bells, there's no whistles, there's no interruptions. It's just you, your thoughts. And science has proven to teach us when we take handwritten notes, there is a connection between our hand and our notes, and our creative juices flow like no other. I can sit here in front of a computer and I can type out a handful of things. And if I go into AI, I can even see how my thoughts and ideas are expanded with all the tools. But there's hallucination. There's repeat patterns. There's not that personal mindset that you get from your own creativity. But I use AI every day, and I use handwritten notes. So how do I succeed at both of them? Let me show you how I do so. So first and foremost, with the reMarkable and the Key2Success Planner, I'm able to write out my key 3. I'm able to determine what things matter most to me. I'm able to write out my to-dos. I can even write out my schedule. Now, why would I do this over using just my Apple or Google Calendar? See, those are scheduling systems, and they do really good at blocking off time, but they don't help you understand in the space where your priorities are. I have a meeting with Suzanne to go over the marketing budget, which is an important task for me. But does it give me the space where I can write out my notes, my thoughts, my ideas, and collect those all inside my meeting pages where I have all those notes right in front of me like I do when I'm meeting with this particular client over here? I can't do that from a scheduling system. From a planner, I have the ability to easily navigate between my schedule and my daily pages, and this allows me to bring both of them together. But how do I bring AI into the fold? Well, if you are a 2027 Key2Success user, and if you're not already, the opportunity is still in front of you. We have built some pretty creative tools that allow you to take our planning system and utilize AI to help you through the process. We've built an entire GBT that has all of our training built right into it. So if you're first starting to learn how to use a digital planning system, or you're trying to build out better productivity and focus, this tool is for you, and it's free with our planning system. What's absolutely cool about it is I can go ahead and I can take my plan and I can go ahead inside the app and take a screenshot of it. I then can jump over into my GBT, the Key2Success Planning System, drop in that screenshot and ask it, hey, help me build out my planning. It'll go ahead, it'll analyze the document, it sees the screen and knows all the templates, and it even gives you the links of where the information is so you can learn more about it. But it'll go through, it'll read all the text, it'll help you define your purpose for the day, it'll help you build out where your key 3 fall in your system and better optimize your notes. It'll help you with time blocking so that you can see from the different color palettes where the things are. It'll also help you organize your to-dos on what level and what things have higher priority. It'll even take your handwritten notes and build out pieces. But where it gets really exciting is now, after taking several different meetings, building out different projects, having daily pages, and helping it learn what my ideal week is, I can start utilize AI to coach me through the planning system so that my energy, my focus, my vision for the year become part of my planning. What's also even more amazing is I can start to use this as a tool to communicate others. I can go back to that very same screenshot, that very same text thread inside ChatGPT and say, hey, can you go ahead and email us, my assistant, an outline of my daily plan? And it will literally go in there, take these handwritten notes in my schedule, and provide an email that I can easily copy and paste and send to my assistant, showcasing my priorities, my schedule for today, the action items that need attention, and do it in a manner where they are up to date on where my needs are. But it doesn't end there. Another exciting factor about this is I can go ahead and with this GPT that we've built inside of AI, I can go ahead and pull up a meeting page. Now this meeting page inside that note, I totally hate when someone comes into a meeting buried behind their computer, tapping at the keys as if they're taking notes. I'm distracted by it, and I don't know if they're fully invested in the topic at hand. But when someone is out here and they're writing down the notes and we're engaged in a discussion, we're focused on what matters most in the agenda, there's a level of confidence between me, them, and the other people in the room that what we are discussing matters. Well, another one of the GPT skills that we built inside our planning system is the ability for you to go ahead now and utilize this skill. Take that same screenshot, we go ahead and pull it into ChatGPT. We're going to ask it a very simple question. Can you help me create a summary of this meeting? Again, it knows the agenda, the attendees, what our sketchboard was, our tasks, our projects, and notes that we were taking are all embedded in the template itself. So it has that base knowledge. It understands the system. It'll go ahead and analyze this for us. And then what's even really cool is it'll go ahead and it'll build out that summary. I can prompt this, say, create me a PDF file. And when I create that PDF file, what that's going to allow me to do is have a file now that I can easily share with my entire team. This helps them understand what the discussion was and what the topics were from my handwritten notes. And I can pair this with projects, I can pair this with my focus board, and many other things. But it doesn't end there. We've built a chat GPT that helps you through all the different templates, even our professional builder. So if you are someone that's looking to create an operating system for your life or your business, something that helps you build out a 1 to 3 year plan, helping you get that vision and put it into a space where you can start to track not only the progress that you're making, but identify your challenges, your resources, your values, and how you measure success, and put it in a reasonable timeline so that you know what your daily activities and action steps are, so you can build out a 3 year plan that has goals for you. This will walk you through that process. It's a business operating system behind an AI tool that allows you to search real world economic demands and applies them to your plans that you have today. So when you bring a tablet that allows you to have focus and energy, it allows you to remove all the distractions of apps, bells and whistles and notifications, and take your thoughts and ideas and put them into paper, and utilizing that paper and contribute to an artificial intelligence that has a background system of not only what it means to be an entrepreneur, a manager, a business professional, someone who wants to have entrepreneurial success, sales growth, marketing expansion, and utilize the tools holistically together, you've just met the Key2Success Planner built in an AI infrastructure. If that excites you, check out the link in the description and learn more about our tools. This is free to you as a 2027 and beyond user to the Key2Success Planner. You get started today and watch your journey unfold. I'm Branden Bodendorfer, creator and founder, and Lord willing, we'll see you in the next video.